are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.